I'm going to remove the lock cylinder from a Mark III glove box latch. You're going to need to take 2 small flathead screwdrivers, and there are 2 pins that you're going to have to get the flathead on in order to remove it. So, get your 2 flatheads, pry these 2 pieces up, and push the cylinder through the front. Old cylinder into the new lock, and it should be good to go. If your glove box latch is broken, you can stick a screwdriver down in here and push on that tab to the right, and it will open up. To remove the glove box, to get access to the 2 screws that hold in the back side of the latch, we have to remove 3 Phillips screws. Alrighty guys, so to get your glove box out, on the inside there's going to be 3 Phillips screws, and then on the bottom sides there's going to be 1 there, and the other guy is right there. Take those out. Glove box should come out no problem. Once you have all the screws out, you should be able to just lift up and out. And it's held in by 2 clips at the top, or 3 clips. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so I'll take this bad boy and we're gonna work on it on the bench because it's easier. Once you have the glove box out, to get the latch off, you have to come back from the back side, and there are 2 Phillips screws hidden away that you must remove. Next step, once you've removed the 2 screws, you're gonna have to slide this whole plastic bracket back piece off to get to the latch. So right here, there's a little clip or push pin. You push that in and simultaneously slide it out.
this is the creature that actually physically did it. There he is. You know, he's being taken care of. You can check this Swiss bank house. So let's continue. Here's Reuters, just to give you background. Texas wholesale electric prices spiked more than 10,000% amid outages. Oh, follow the money, folks. Outages morph into outages and outrage as Texas slapped with mind-blowing power bills that go from $50 per megawatt to $9,000 a megawatt. I'm not a mathematician off the top of my head. What is $50? Guys, will you divide 50 into 9,000 for me? Please give me the number. What is the price increase of 50 to 9,000? Sounds to me 50 is if you divide it, it's way more than 10,000%. Because if you're from 50 to 9,000, that sounds like just all 18,000 times increase. I'm just like, because you know 9's not 10. It'd be very easy. It was 10,000% increase from 50. We would know what that was, but that sounds like a 18,000% increase. Let's see how dumb I am. Let's see. It is boom. It is off the top of my head. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. An 18,000% increase. I mean, here's the deal, folks. These criminals can't help but steal and rob. That's why they're going to end up failing. That's the good news is these people can't help themselves. They're not like masterminds. They just go, we control the power, attack, attack, attack. And that's what they're going to do until you finally say no. But that's what they're doing. So, I mean, they can't help it. I was so angry about this, I didn't even tell the crew to get it. He was, again, blaming the internet. Context say, you're not allowed to increase energy instead of the document. And thank God, folks reached out to us and pointed out was there. Department of Energy Order number 202-21-1. That'll be on the political gravestone of Joe Biden. That'll be hung around his neck. That'll be his crown of thorns that he signed. And I got the executive order right here.